YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You could get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Everybody is safe. Ooh, baby. Here we go. What's all this? Now, this is something different. I'm sure everyone likes something unique at your place, at your workplace, your apartment, condo, college dorm. This is a Foldaway fan. MarchPower. Floor and desk fan 2-in-1. Whoa. Look at that. It turns into like a floor fan and then desk and a travel pouch. Now this is cool. Rechargeable. Handbag included. 28 hours max. 4M remote control operation. Time function. 5 meters air supply distance. Whatever that means. Adjustable height. Easy to store and clean. Built-in 7200 rechargeable battery. Longest stand time is up to 28 hours. Super quiet. 13 to 25 decibels. And 5 wind levels. Super 5 meters air supply distance. Ooh, baby. Alright, now I'm curious. Let's see. Like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below and see what other goodies they might have to offer besides this one. But this would be a unique gift for like Mother's Day to keep the moms cool during the summertime. Or maybe for you in your garage. I think I got it right. Yeah, don't mind my arm. There we go. MarchPower. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Nice little bag. Kind of looks like a drum kit type deal. Okay, USB cord. This would be a long one. Ooh, remote control. Oh, this is a nice remote. Got the chrome. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The hearing aid size batteries. Boom, boom. Now, whoa. Come on. Come on out. Don't be shy. Oh, man. See? There we go. It has some nice. Put that top there. Now. Whoa. This is a big guy. Alright. See what this is all about. How do I make it? Should read directions. I never did this kind of fan. How do you open up? Where do you open up? I'm gonna pause you guys. Oh wow, this is really cool, guys. Okay, the back of the side, right here. You gotta line it up, and then once you line it up, the magic happens. You pull right here. Look at this. You got another whole side control for the fan. This is now this is futuristic, and you can adjust it. What? Get out of town. And it's already charged. Look at this. That is so cool. And it's really cold too. This look at this. Oh yeah, baby. And then lights up blue. Really nice. I can feel it. It feels good. You guys can see the fan. This is probably one of the coolest items I got this year. Timer. It's quiet too. I mean, definitely have it overnight. And you don't need to plug it in. You can just charge it up. Holds for 28 hours, he said. 2, 3, 5 levels, it seems like. And it's easy to carry. And do the same thing. Oh, man, that is cool. Man, I noticed a big difference already. Oh yeah, definitely, guys, you would definitely like this fan. Let me shut it off. Look at that. Oops. We can have it like this. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. But make sure if you have little kids, they don't put their fingers in it. So, you know, just a quick tip. Oh, that feels good. I think it might be a hot summer this year, hopefully. But not too hot. 70s and up. Now we're gonna go shut that off. You go lock it. Wait a minute. There's a lock and unlock right there. That is cool. So, like I said, check them out right here on Amazon. Use my affiliate link. Click on that. Get one of these now, man. I mean, I'm telling you. This has got to be one of the cooler fans I've ever seen in my life. That's locked in good. And then, okay, there's a little hydraulics right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, wow. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you lock it. And Yeah, definitely a nice one. That's crazy. All the way up. Alright, YouTubers. Check them out. Affiliate link down below. Add this to your cart. MarchPower. Foldaway fan. Be safe. Have a good day. See you guys soon.